Alright guys, I just literally started playing Hearthstones today. I had the beta invite like last year, but my friend was just saying I would try it out. And I did like Magic the Gathering before, so I'm trying it out just because I had some time. And I'm gonna try to buy some packs now. I had like 260 after going through. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be buying pack, but the hell, I don't know if I'm gonna be playing this for that long anyways. So now I got 4 packs to open. Let's open it up. I wouldn't even know if I get rare cards or not, but let's try it out and see what I got. So I think I put it here and it opens. Oh, that's cool. Bless Champion. Double a minion's attack. Alright, costs a lot of mana though. I'm not sure how to see if it's rare or not. I think gold is supposed to be rare. Harvest Golem, summon whatever Golem, return friendly minion, change a minion's attack, and attack. Okay, so here's the ones I got, and then pack number 2. Let's see what we got here. Combo, deal 2 damage. Here's a green looking one, I think for Hunter. I've been only using a mage, so some of the ones I don't even know if it's good or not. All class. Oh, that's not bad actually. I like that one. I might even use that. Alright, 3rd pack. And please do let me know if any of them are any good. Jewel one. I think this is a paladin one, but this one I wish they put like rare, common, and all that just to make it easier for you. But secret, when your opponent plays a minion, reduces health to 1. I think that's good because it only costs 1. But it's only paladin, so I'm not sure about that. And last pack. Hunter one, whenever a secret is revealed, gain 1 durability. All class, warrior, princess of the moon. And there is all my cards. Let me know if any of them is any good. And if you play, feel free to add me, mj22333@gmail.com. I think it's my bnet. Again, it just started today, so don't really even know what's going on. But add me, make a comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll play some more of this. Get good at it if I have time. And that is it. Alright, thanks guys. But let me know if any of the cards are good, because I do need help.